Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again. And guess what? I'm here today with an unboxing, a Street Tech unboxing no less. And what phone am I unboxing today? Well, I have an exclusive, a Frankie Tech exclusive right here. And it's this phone right here. It's the Vivo Nex 2. That's right. That is right, guys. The Vivo Nex dual display right here. And I'm unboxing this phone right here as we speak. Now I've lifted the kind of edge here, but let me kind of go ahead and slide this over. And there you go. It's Nex, baby. So let's lift this right here and let's show you. And there it is. There's the Vivo Nex Global Edition, baby. It's the global version. This ain't no Chinese version. It's the global version. That means that this is global, and this is a big deal, and I'm so excited to be unboxing this on my channel. This is a Frankie Tech exclusive, and I'm so excited to be sharing this with you guys right here. So let's have a look here at what is inside the kind of packaging real quick. This will be a kind of a slight I guess 50% unboxing, because I will be unboxing fully tomorrow, but just showing what's inside the box there. You see there are the Vivo headphones. There is the global charger right here. This is the Hong Kong charger, and you see there is the SIM ejector tool. There does seem to be a kind of like almost like a iPhone 4 style. I guess what they used to call them were the, gosh, I can't remember what they were, but they are, this is not a case, this is kind of like an edge there of the phone. I'll remember in a second if I remember, but if you guys remember the iPhone 4, when it came with a glass back, they had this type of case included in the box. And so that's a quick unboxing right there. So let's close that up real quick. And let's do this together here. Let's fully and exclusively turn this on together right here on Frankie Tech. And there is plastic on it. There it goes, Nex. The Vivo Nex. Oh yeah, here we go. The Vivo Nex dual display. I'm so excited on this one. And so let's kind of very slightly open the box here. Open the wrapping here. Sorry guys, I'm so excited I can't even kind of talk straight at this point. So my classic Frankie mumbling is gonna happen right now. Anyways, let's kind of open this up right here. We're cracking open this and say hello to your other display of the Nex dual display right here. And so there it is, in your first look on Frankie Tech of the Nex dual display. What a beauty, what an amazing looking phone right here on Frankie Tech. And I'm looking at this for the first time with you guys. Now the most exciting thing about this phone, and I gotta say this really excitedly right here, this is the global version of the phone. And what does that mean? That means that it includes Google Play out of the box, and includes all of the, let's show you right here, it includes all of the Play Store apps out of the box. I'm so excited to have this phone and to be able to debut it here. And let's see if we can do the dual display action right here. And so still trying to figure out how to utilize this phone right here. But let's look at this design right here. Oh man, what a beautiful design this phone has. It's a beautiful glass edge you see right there. And I guess there's one quick way I know already how to debut that back screen here. And that's with the selfie cam. So I'm gonna do the selfie right here. And it says turn it around, and there you go. There it is. There is the back screen on this. The volume rocker is on the other side, like the OnePlus 6T right here. And I'm gonna take that photo there, boom. And there it is, guys, you see it there. There's Frankie Tech himself. And this is kind of nuts. I've never seen anything like this in my life. This is actually kind of cool. And the fact that there's a screen on the back. Now let's see, when I press the home button, now the phone is on the back of the phone. It's unbelievable right here. And so let's kind of just go down here talking about design. This is the most peculiar, most unique design I've ever seen on a phone. And I was gonna do my smartphone awards and give the kind of smartphone award to the Oppo Find X, but I may have to give this to this Vivo Nex 2 because I've never seen anything so peculiar yet it's kind of so cool in my life. I was naysaying this because just in concept, and I didn't expect to like this as much as I do. It is very unique. Now what happens if I switch cameras again? Let's see what happens here. Flip it around again, and we're back to the we're back to the rear shooter. That is very interesting indeed. Let's take a shot here. Now this phone is rocking, if I'm not mistaken, the Snapdragon 845, if I'm not mistaken. But if it is the 855, I need to check. I don't think it is. Pretty sure it's the 845. But the major spec on this phone is that it's running 10 gigs of RAM right here. This is the 10 gig of RAM version. And I can't believe that I have, for the first time ever on Frankie Tech, a 10 gig of RAM phone in my hands. And I can't wait to test this thing out. It's super exciting here. A great way to end the year on Frankie Tech with such an exclusive. It's amazing here. But let's do once again that last Frankie Tech shot here. We'll have to review audio. I don't think there's a headphone jack here. You see there, it's just USB-C. But let's go have a look. Take a shot here. No sex shop here tonight, guys. But we'll take a quick shot. And let's do one loop around here. Take a selfie. Flip it around. And let's take a shot right here. And you saw it there. There it is. That is super interesting. Detail, I'll have to check the detail here, but just the fact that I flip this around and then I flip it back and I'm back to taking other shots. God, this is so cool. I love tech, guys. I love it. This is so cool. Anyways, that's it for this video. Let me know what you think in the comments there, and let me know which phones you want to see go against this new Vivo Nex 2 Vivo dual display here on Frankie Tech. This is a very exciting occasion for me, and I can't wait to share it with all you guys with a 24-hour review, or I guess like my first kind of in-depth review of this phone tomorrow. But if you like this video, give me that thumbs up, and if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's go back to the home screen here. This is all in Chinese right here, but this is the global version, which means, you see there, and China's not going to allow Facebook pre-installed on a global version, on a China version. That means that this is the global version. You see there's Amazon pre-installed and a bunch of other stuff pre-installed right there. So this is truly the global version. Super excited to share with you guys. And thanks for watching. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one. Oh, we're going right this time. All right.